3 years, 3 months, 20 days. That's all it took to get me my first payment from YouTube. So here you can see, this is the notification that I just received 2 days ago. It was the day of 23rd June 2021. It turned out to be a really big day for me. Hey, in this video, I'm going to talk about how I got my first YouTube payment and how I started with this thing, what brought me into YouTube, how I started posting, what went wrong and how I went viral and how I got monetized and started earning and all the weird things that happened on the way. And then I'm going to reveal my first payment, how much I made. I'm going to show you the notification. I'll tell you how much I earned in USD as well as INR. I still remember it was the 3rd of March of 2018. That was when I posted my first video on this channel, and I never knew that I'm going to earn from YouTube one day. And if you remember back in those days in 2017, 2018, everyone wanted to become a YouTuber. There was this whole bubble around YouTube. Everyone was getting into YouTube just like it is now in 2021. Everyone is getting into TikTok and Reels and YouTube Shorts because they are exploding so much and they want reach. The same way back in 2018, I became the victim of this bubble, but still it turned out to be a good thing for me, I'll say. If you want, you can go and check my first video which I ever posted. It was a reverse magic kind of video. Yes, back then I didn't have any goal or any niche which I had chosen to make videos specifically on. It was like I just wanted to get into YouTube just to make money. Clearly, I had no goal in mind. I was in it just for the money. But those reverse magic videos didn't last long. It was just 3 videos I made. After that, I got into the niche of tech, basically mobile apps and features. I had started this channel under the name of Technical Magician. Now I know, it's a very cringeworthy and very weird name to choose. I didn't really have any nomenclature skills back then. I just chose anything. The actual reason behind this name was technical because I got into the niche of tech, and magician because I tried some reverse magic videos at the beginning. Back then, I really didn't have to edit my videos much because I was just making screen recordings. So I would just put my screen recordings together, cut it when required, and it would take like around 10 minutes and my video would be edited and ready to post. So it was really easy, and I started posting 3 to 4 times a week, or much better, once every 2 days. Like, that's the consistency I dream about now, because I am posting only 1 video per week at this moment, and that is because although I complete recording my videos in one sitting in under an hour, I take a lot of time to edit my videos. Like literally a lot of time, hours per video. And a couple of weeks ago, I posted a video where I said how I got my first job, and ironically, that was a video editing job. Video editing is something that I just don't like. I literally mean it when I say I want to outsource all my video editing stuff to someone when I am earning a significant amount of money every month, and that will be a dream time for me as well as you guys actually, because if I don't have to edit my videos, I can easily make 2 to 3 videos per week. Back to my dream consistency. So that was how it all got started for me on YouTube. As I said, I was posting 3 times a week, but that didn't continue for long. I posted that consistently for 3 to 4 months, but after that I started to lose interest. Yes, because I said I was not interested in tech. I don't love tech, so I wasn't surprised at this. It was quite obvious that this would happen, but still I tried to stay as consistent as possible. I made something like 20 to 30 videos more that year, which brought the grand total of videos published in 1 year to be around 50. So 50 videos in 1 year, and that's where all the magic started. After 1 year of almost consistent posting, my first video went viral. Drum rolls. If you go and sort my videos by popularity, you'll see it's a 3-minute video which got viral, and now it is sitting at a massive 1.1 million views. So that 8,000 plus subscribers that I have on this channel, most of the credit goes to that video alone, which brought in most of the subscribers. But I'm not asking you to go and watch that video because I myself don't like that video. It's a small video that I made on a feature of Google Assistant in Hindi, not in English, which is why I think you won't like it. And by the way, I'm going to take less than 30 seconds to thank our sponsor today, the like button. It was very kind of like button to sponsor this video after they saw that I literally spent hours making content for you without the fan on, without the AC on. I'm literally sweating like I'm in the sun. So please, for the sponsor and also for me sweating in the summer, go and smash the hell out of the like button. It would mean a lot. So getting back to the video, it was the viral video which boosted me a lot, and I literally gained like 1,000 subscribers within 2 or 3 days. And thanks to that one video, I started getting organic views regularly, consistently, and within 3 months, I achieved the monetization goal of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. It was the 9th of March when I finally got accepted in the YouTube partner program. My channel was monetized, and I also still remember that my earnings from the first day was 25 cents. After getting monetized, this thing happened which was kind of very weird and more than that unfortunate for me. I started earning and my revenue went up gradually, but when it reached that $5-6 mark, I don't know what happened. It dropped down from around $6 back to $1. I don't know what happened. It happened like 2 to 3 times. I don't know. Why does revenue go down? Like, revenue cannot go down. That was a really weird thing happening, and it was probably a glitch, but that glitch probably cost me a lot of money. I remember in the process I lost approximately $15-17, something like that. So my earnings till date would have been more than $15-16. And those of you, my friends, are YouTubers also and have experienced some kind of similar thing, please tell me in the comments, because I haven't found any other YouTuber apart from me who has lost money in this weird manner. So that's how things went, but it took a lot of time for me to get to that $100 threshold, which I need to withdraw my cash to my bank account. Like, just imagine 3rd March 2019 and 23rd June 2021. It took me more than 2 years to reach that $100 threshold. And the main and the biggest reason behind this was because I stopped posting videos on my channel after I got monetized. Like, April 2019 was the last time I posted my videos, and then I stopped. I didn't post a single video in the next 2 years, and it was in just May of 2021. Yes, May of 2021 that I restarted this channel because I wanted to grow my YouTube exposure once again. So that's why it took a long time. And on top of that, even bigger reason, I'll say, I used to make videos in Hindi, and I'm a citizen of India, so naturally the pay per 1,000 views, the CPM, the RPM would be incredibly low. Like, you can see my lifetime RPM. RPM means revenue per mind. It means how much I get per 1,000 views. Like, this is incredibly cheap. I was earning like $3 to $4 per month when I stopped posting videos, but still it was passive income. I was doing nothing, I was still getting paid. So coming to the most exciting part of this video, the reason why you clicked on this video probably to see my lifetime earnings, my first YouTube payment. Well, my first YouTube payment was of $110 It took me 3 years, no, actually 2 years to earn $110, just $110. I know, sometimes I think it wasn't worth it, but one day I know it will be worth it. I know the day when I'll have 100,000 plus subscribers, or maybe 1,000,000 plus subscribers. But 3 years back, who knew that I would be earning from a YouTube channel? So absolutely, 1,000,000 plus subscribers is absolutely possible. And by the way, I'm not neglecting you guys who are still watching my videos when I'm incredibly small at 8,000 subscribers. Thank you a lot. And as you can see on the screen, this is the exact bank notification I received of money being deposited into my bank account, which is in INR. You can see rupees 7948.28. It felt amazing. It felt amazing to receive my first YouTube payment. 3 years of work, it was worth it. Well, it's just $110 for now. In my AdSense account, I have roughly around $27 still in my deposit. So when this $27 gets into the $100 threshold again, it will again come into my deposit, and I'll probably make another video, my second YouTube payment. And to end this video, I'm going to make a slight confession about myself and this channel. I have been really inconsistent with my posting, I know, which is really bad. Some of you, my friends, my viewers, may be disappointed with it, but I'm really sorry. At this moment, I am really focusing on money. I'm really focusing on freelancing and increasing my worth, the income I have. I'm really focusing on that, which is why I am unable to post more than 1 video in a week. Please consider with that, and as soon as I can, I'll come back with 2 videos minimum every single week. So that's it for this video, friends. Thank you so much for watching. But before you leave, don't go, I have something very important to tell you. This video was just about how much I got paid, but behind what I actually earn, there is a lot of things, a lot of factors, a lot of metrics which decide how much I'll get paid. So in the next video, I'm going to sit and break down all my YouTube earning metrics, and I'm going to show you why I earn so low and why my engagement has dropped so much with 8,000 subscribers. Also, why I am receiving only less than 50 views per video when I post it. I'm going to explain everything about my channel, what's going on with it, and I'm going to show the behind the scenes, everything. But for that, you have to go and subscribe right now if you haven't, and click on the bell icon if you haven't, so as to receive all the notifications of all the videos I post, and especially for the next one, the breakdown of my YouTube earning metrics.